Welcome to the Umpty channel and Abe Lincoln Gambles. This episode, Glitter Bomb. I see ya.
Maybe next year, that's right.
We're carbureted!
What happened?
What are you looking at? We didn't do nothing.
Why are you sparkling?
I hardly.
We're one of those things in Twilight.
A non-successful glitter bombing of cars behind us backfired in a tornado glittery mess inside our car, and now I look like I've been with like 8 Sheilas and look at the interior.
It looks like someone glitter bombed.
Dude, it's, you can't really tell, but look like the center console stuff. It's thick. It's bad.
We made the interior fabulous.
Dude, that sucks.
You gotta love it.
I was hoping it was tucked into like 3 pieces in the back.
Dude, it is complete. Everything is. Dude, I told him I couldn't even talk. Like, I was worried about getting my mouth. Like.
I think Umpty might be pissed if you're going to take him down another quad trail.
What's that? Mine's not even hot. It's running. Is there a gauge or just like a
Gauge. I lost the screws that hold the fan on. So we're replacing them with good old hillbilly zip ties here. This is the proper fix, right?
Yeah, that's how we do it.
No, I think so.
Valley of the
It's
Dead.
not that bad.
No, okay.
If going through the mud hole would be crazy.
I think.
Sounds like
Oh, and the magnet.
he's got plenty of traction. Oh no. I think he's sucker. No, they're not. They're gonna take it easy. Stop. What happened there?
There's a hole in the floor this big. We went through a mud hole and it just went boosh.
Is it cold or?
Yeah. Ah, that's the hole. Dude,
Yeah.
it's pretty bad.
Let's put them in the intake and see if they shoot out the exhaust.
If you drip.
Wrong intake. All right.
You got a glitter bomb yourself.
I know. It's hilarious.
We don't want Lance crying. Oh, you got glitter.
The ghetto hanger they have out.
Radio check. Are you ignoring me?
We should probably rip them off. Dude, look at the rear drive shaft.
I hit really hard.
Oh, so did we.
We're overheating,
We hit
though.
so hard.
I've been trying to reach in CB.
Yeah.
Is yours
Supposed
off?
to stop?
No,
It might
just
be.
wanted to see if I could.
It might not be all-wheel drive.
Oh, it's bad. That rear drive shaft's not looking good.
No way.
Rear drive shaft seriously comes down and then goes back up.
And then he goes by, I'm like, man, look at the van take those whoops, and then
It was floating. I'm like, perfect. But I also went, boom. That's usually the law, or the rule. That goes smooth they are, but go ahead and start it.
Oh, you guys lost your grill, huh?
We took it off
Okay.
because we had to clean it out.
All right.
So that's our recovery point right there.
Where?
It's a steel bumper.
Oh,
So we
underneath
just
the
cut,
skin?
so we cut the plastic
So
forward.
you could do it. Nice.
Because the grill hides it all.
That is.
I see.
And the grill.
It is.
Hey, how does that make you feel? We're gonna have so much trash when we're done.
It's all our own car.
Tearing your cars apart. Hi, Umpty. This is my new home. Welcome to my crib.
Yeah. Technically, if you put blocks on this and put it in, couldn't you lift the model that way?
You'd probably snap it with our luck.
I'm just
You
saying.
want some? I got wood.
You put like
That's
a
disgusting. Roll it? I think we can drive 20 mile. I would
gonna
be.
follow the lake around to the other end.
To Leota. Yeah, this thing, the way this thing sits, I wouldn't do any more bombing with it, but I'd drive it home. I'd drive this home.
That one will go home.
Hey, did everybody have fun today?
No.
Dude,
This sucks.
I knew when we were beating on that field, that was so bad. That was so bad.
But did you have fun?
Oh, that's the whole point. Why do you think I didn't turn away from it?
Oh, it was awesome. Dude, that was amazing. But
I'm so happy you guys did it right alongside of us.
Oh,
too.
we
You
had
were
a
falling
front
up
row
on us,
seat.
and all of a sudden it was just.
I wish I could have been on the outside just watching that thing.
It
It
looked
didn't go
beautiful.
as high as you think. Like the front tires just
funny-
came off, but it just slammed.
The funny thing is,
the problem is
before
just
we
in the
started
whoops,
today,
this front piece
don't
was
be a Matt
catching the
Murdock.
pits.
What'd we do? We were a Matt Murdock.
Garbage.
Oh, look at this guy.
Yeah.
Fry bars at.
Yeah, they're in the back.
I didn't see how far you moved it. I don't worry.
Yeah, guys, I'm Umpty. I'm kind of a big loser, you know. We come to these events and just bash on everybody's ride. I'm better than all these stupid punks. Look at these idiots. Prom night, big old moron. Yeah. I think I'm going to go home and sleep a good sleep because I know I'm better than these guys.